Hi everyone, here we go again to my Pudgy business tutorials. And today we are going to talk about the newsletter in a business and how to make it effective in a business so that you can reach your target market. And namely, those are your customers of your product that you sell in your own company. Okay? First of all, what is newsletter? Newsletter marketing is the practice by which companies send informational and product-focused content via an email letter to a subscriber list that comprises potential and existing customers. In my own words, this is all about what is happening on your business and what kind of product are you selling. Those are the things that you will put in your newsletter so that your business will grow and become successful in the future, even as well in the present. Okay? That's why newsletter is important part in your business as well. Not only the finance, not only the sales, not only the marketing, not only your product, but also newsletter is also important for your own organization and so that your company will benefit as well. Okay? Now you know what is a newsletter. And now we are going to my second question. How to make an effective newsletter? First of all, you need to have a creative headlines because this will attract the customer's eyes once they have seen your newsletter. That's why you need to have a creative headlines first as a first step to creating an effective newsletter. Okay? Secondly, you need to have a relevant and consistently scheduled information so that your customers will understand what does your business do and what does it sells and how will they benefit the customers who are buying to their company. All kinds of business can do this newsletter and can make it effective and can follow these guidelines that I'm telling to you right now. Right now. Okay? Third step is strong call to action. Every newsletter should have a desired action to be performed by the reader. This is true if you want to make an effective newsletter. There should be an action in everything that you are doing, not only to newsletter. Okay? Next step is uncluttered format. If leads are confused or overwhelmed by the formatting, they are more likely to unsubscribe or be disengaged with the newsletter. So try to avoid this kind of format so that your customers will not be confused about what does your business do according to what you have put on your newsletter. It should be clear, concise, and creative. That is how to make an effective newsletter. Okay? And this one, because of our generation, Your newsletter should be mobile responsiveness. In this way, you need to create an app for all of your customers so that they can see and feel comfortable reading your own newsletter that you have created in your company. Okay? That is the meaning of mobile responsiveness. Next step is unsubscribe. Okay? Businesses want to keep leads as happy as possible, even if that means losing their subscription to a newsletter. Furthermore, opt-in forms must be visible for potential customers to sign up. Okay. You need to do this so that you will create an effective newsletter for your company. Okay? This is not totally to lead you to disgrace, but it will lead your business to a better position. Okay? Second to the last is incentives. Of course, you need to do this for your customers so that they can read and will want to read your newsletter. In this way, it will attract customers to opt into newsletter marketing. Besides from this, you can earn a profit because of what you are doing to your customers. Incentives can either increase profit and benefit your business. Okay? Lastly, there should be a terms and conditions. Of course, all of the information that your customer is reading, they should follow a terms and conditions, because this will bring peace, order to your community and also to your company and your relationship with your customers and as a business owner. Okay? So those are the topics that I presented. This is about the newsletter. What is a newsletter and how to make it effective. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Keep following up my videos so that you can learn something about business management. May God bless you all richly and in prosperity. Thank you so much.